4:50 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northwest of Silverton to 14 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Small craft could be damaged and briefly ran winds and suddenly caught waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seacoast Reef, Marmaduke Reef, Carlson Reef, Silverton, Ford River, Lavalette, Marmaduke Light, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmont, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, and Harvey Cedars.
KTRMedia has just received this important message. Check your f***ing face holes, because it might just be for your area.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey until 6:15 p.m.
National Weather Service
At 4:50 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northwest of Silverton to 14 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 30 knots.
Strong thunderstorms were
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
miles northwest of
Source,
Silverton to 14
radar.
nautical miles west of
Impact,
Pine Beach.
small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
34 knots or greater
Locations
and small
impacted
hail.
include Ocean Gate, Seacoast Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Ford River, Lavalette, Barnegat Light, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, and Harvey Cedars. Move to Safe Harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, and Harvey Cedars.
This
Move to
concludes
Safe Harbor
operations
until
under the
hazardous
emergency
weather
alert
passes.
system. All normal programming operations may now resume. KTR Media, powered by Connecticut's All Thunder Buddy 01 Media Network, is a proud participant in the National Emergency Alert System. This network serves the southern New England, New York City tri-state, and South Florida operational areas, and the adjacent coastal waters.